Okay, I would like to introduce you all to one of my closest friends, and my closest friend lives in this box. This box has a front door and a back door. My best friend is Snowy, the black rabbit. Now for Halloween, Snowy wants to dress up like a ghost, but he doesn't want to make a costume. He just wants to turn white. And instead of like dyeing himself white or spraying on some white hairspray, I don't know, fur spray, fluff spray, whatever you want to call it. So he asks me if I can turn him white. Now this is a cool bit of magic, and all I need to do to turn him white is say the word boo. Now just to make sure this works, can you all say boo with me on the count of 3?
Yes.
Okay, ready? I think he's ready too. 1, 2, 3,
Boo!
boo! And now he is Snowy, the ghost rabbit.
Ooh.
After Halloween is over, though, he wants to make sure that I can turn him back to a black rabbit. He doesn't want to be Snowy the ghost rabbit forever. So all we need to do to turn him back is say the opposite of the word boo. Does anybody have a guess what that is?
Oob.
Yes. Great. Very, very good. Yep. Can you all say oob with me on the count of 3?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
And now he is back to being a black rabbit. Now the last time I performed this, some people in the audience were concerned that they said I kept just turning him around and turning him around. No, right here. Front door. Right here. Back door. Just like that. I can open up both doors at once, just like this. First this one, then this one. And then there's nothing else in the house. And then here's Snowy. So I'm guessing the problem is that you guys think that the ghost side is on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Well, guess what? For once, the audience doesn't know best. What do you say we turn him white one more time? I mean into a ghost. His house is empty. Put him in. There's his front. There's his back. Just like that. Close both doors. Do you guys remember what to say to turn him into a ghost rabbit?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Count of 3. 1, 2, 3.